Good evening. I am Atuna Ghosh, Fashion Designing Faculty at SBI Agent, Newtown campus. So today's topic is fashion technology. Okay. Yeah. Good evening. Please join. Fashion designing is one of the highly creative and in-demand careers in the world. It is specially for who loves to study fashion trends, sketch, designing, and develop new and creative world of work. Wondering how to start a career fashion designer. Okay. You will need to pursue a basic designing diploma or degree program to begin a career in this field, which can help you learn to intricates of designing clothes and apparel as well as studying at the latest trends. And what is fashion designing? Next, fashion designing is an art of crafting customized apparel and lifestyle accessories and has turned into a career option now. It is a promising profession that is creative option now. It is a very creative field and at the same time serves a high packaging in the glamorous industry. Means the fashion marketing and some fashion. However, it is a demanding sector. Now one needs to be creative and process to good manager skill. If you can create a magic with shapes, design, cuts and textile, you have landed on the perfect article to stitch the design that you have to make a bit of stronger. What does fashion designer do exactly? Crafting a design process from concept through the final look, involving a market research, trends in fabric techniques, and studying for designing inspiration, editing the designing streams, and creating new concepts, selecting apt fabric and shapes, developing sketches for customized package, collaboration with different kind of brands and technical team to make sure packages the accurate. Examine the product before presentations. Presenting a story, theme, and seasonal boards to client. Career opportunities in fashion design. Actually, fashion technology also. Fashion design, different streams is here like fashion designer, retail buyer, retail manager, fashion stylist, jewelry and accessories designing, personal stylist, personal shopper, personal makeup artist, fashion model, fashion photograph, fashion journalism, textile designer. Fashion designer, a profession that needs to introduction fashion designers are precisely linked in the industries. If you are a fashion star yourself, you might be have definitely heard about the top Indian fashion designers like Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra, and Rahit Pal, Anita Dogre, Ritu Kumar, Rahul Mishra, and etc. They have actually managed to transform the fashion scenes in Bollywood industry. The good designer take care of everything from sketches, textures and pattern, from styling outfits to looks. Here detailed a guide how to become a fashion designer. Crafting, designing process and conceptions, and presenting mood board, theme board, color story, and collaboration with technical team to make sure packages and the before presentations. And next is retail buyer. But now we discuss about retail buyer. Retail buyer, once you pursue the career, you will be create understanding of what clothes will look great on which people. As a retail buyer, you can build up your own store and sell your own product, or you can get the products from other designers as well. This field is pretty and also it's good for retail buyer. And retail manager getting now we discuss about retail manager getting a job at the boutique, departmental stores or huge brands such as Lifestyle, Zara, Emporio Armani, or etc. It can be highly satisfactory. Retail manager is accountable for setting up daily target markets and staff, ensure the marketing and how promotion styles are functioning in a proper way or not. Fashion stylist. This is one of the toughest and the most exciting job profile. When we talk about a career in this field, being a fashion stylist, your job will be selecting piece from a designer collection or wardrobe to pick the best outfit with respect to client body type preferences and taste. Our stylists take care from makeup, accessories, hairstyles to overall look up of a person. Textile. Now we discuss about textile designer. What about textile designer? Textile designers like 2D unique or repainting patterns and printed fabrics, weave and knit patterns. These fabrics may be used in the interior to make clothes or as soft as a soft. Textile designers either work as a part of the team in the industrial and non-industrial setting or even work independently. Most of the textile designers use to CAD design for patterns. Jewelry or footwear designing. Jewelry and footwear designing is a whole distinct market in the industry that complements the textile sector. After all, without the right footwear of the right fashion accessories, even the perfect dress remains incomplete. Personal shopper. Are you in the love with shopping? It's a time to be happy because a personal shopper is an expert who helps brides, celebrities and even everyday snappy dresses to pull out the best dresses from the hangers. But remember, you must be a professional so that you can hammer out the best deals based shops and pick the most suitable designs and brands as per clients' requirements. Makeup artist takes care. A makeup artist takes care of the skincare, hairstyling, grooming, and anything related to an additional appearance of the body. However, it's important to note that makeup artists are different from beauticians. They are not limited to normal beauty treatments. Makeup artists are hired wedding, pre-wedding photo shoots and bridal makeup, celebrity events, fashion events, and model photo shoot. Fashion model. A model is the one who acts and works on the ramp to show the new trends in order to promote commercial products in the market. Some fashion designers wear their own clothes to represent themselves to sometimes they hire models to promote their work. Now we discuss about is fashion designing a good career? It is one of the most and demanding careers in the world. Being a highly creative field, it can give you the opportunity to blend with cultures and traditional attires to the contemporary ones and even play with color schemes. Every dress has its own story to tell and you can be storyteller. A career in fashion design would be give you the maximum possibilities of satisfaction, be your own boss and you can start your own brand from zero. It will be change the way you see the world as the field is full of creativity and fun. The industry will give you a huge margin on almost every product. The career gives you an opportunity to achieve frame for what you are doing. You will have a lot of opportunities to travel around the global because clients can be from any part of the world. Get ready to face all kind of works arriving in a single workspace. You may also get a chance to meet celebrities and other people who have a passion for fashion designing just like if you pursue a career in this field. Top recruiting companies like Allen Solly and Lifestyle Raymonds, Pantaloons, Spikers, Coco Chanel, Valentino, Versace, Ralph Lauren, Tom Ford, Calvin Klein, Marc Jacobs, etc. So, a variety of leading organizations across the global after various roles to the graduates of this field. And career in fashion design. Next, career in fashion designing. There are lots of benefits to work in the fashion designing industry and production industry, export house. we surrounding, actually you are surrounding by the creativity, culture, attires. So if you are passionate about new clothes, designing, sketches, and so you can just career made just for you. Working in fashion industry, you can be very glamorous. The industry is filled with hard working and good people. You get a lot of gifts and fabrics in the fashion industry. Why the industry is glamorous, and you can deny that there are certain smart coming to the field. You must work long hours to maintain deadlines. The job was very demanding, and the job can be very demanding and lack work of life balance. The industry is highly competitive and exhaustive. Fashion designing is almost highest paying industry, offers job opportunities, is also creatively fulfilled and financially rewarding careers. With the new technologies, there is specialization available in fashion technology, ranging from shoe designing, fashion designing, fashion journalism, leather designing, fashion photography, almost others. What are the job opportunities actually? There are job opportunities like fashion designing, such a fashion stylist, retail manager, personal shopper, retail buyer, textile designers. What qualification? To become a fashion designer, you will need a relevant higher educations like full-time degree course or diploma course. Many of the students for like masters in specialization, masters specific of fashion designing field, and build their career in the same. You can start a career. Start a career in this field by pursuing a degree course in fashion designing. Students can be joined after 12th for BSc fashion designing or fashion technology. If you are ready for to change the cultural trends and of your society. Yes, we said cultural trend, because when you will pursue a career in fashion designing, you will have to power to change what people wear, what people think about each other, and what people feel about each. If you feel if you feel this field for you, contact at SBI AHM today and kickstart your career. And fashion design, after the bachelor's course, you can join many of designers as you about the fashion designers like Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra. You can join after your bachelor's degree. And export house also, like Shy Exports, and like sportswear, different types of sportswear, exports house and production house. So you can join SBI HM. It's a very good place for fashion technology. You can join and kickstart your career. And next, yeah, but definitely they are provided different types of workshop also, like tie-dye workshop and textile workshop and hand painting workshop. So please join at SBI Egypt. Once you pursue the career, you will have a great understanding of what clothes you will look great on which people. As a retail buyer, you can build up your career, and also retail manager, you start your career. Like getting a job at boutique. So huge brands such as Lifestyle, Zara, H&M and Armani, so it can be highly satisfactory. A retail manager accountable settings of daily targets for the staffs and ensure the market promotion strategies. The interesting topic is fashion stylist, which is very much interesting and one of the toughest and exciting profile also. So it's select a piece from the designer collection for wardrobe to pick the best outfits with respects client body types, preferences and taste. So our stylists take care from makeup, accessories, hairstyles to overall look of a person. We will talk about general trends, lots of mood boards and how to actually what is the trends, general trends, and lot of fashion models have signed themselves with modeling agencies. So such as agencies which offer bridal photo shoots. So and it is one of the most creative and exciting career options. It opens up a lot of opportunities for those who are actually passionate about the design art, actually passionate about the designing, passionate about sketches, and passionate about the trends, marketing, promotion styles. So talented designers have a huge potential to earn income in fame and glamorous industry. Textile export house Fashion Boutiques was work as an independent self-employed and textile and manufacturing units. Retail chains, different types of fashion showrooms, fashion brands, TV and film industries teach the course in institutes also. Basically, there is some job opportunities. Like you can join after you complete your course, you can join textile export house, fashion designing house, export house, fashion brands, fashion showrooms, and film industries also. It's an exciting thing. You can join after your course. You will join the fashion industries, film industries, and teach the course in institutions and work as an independent, and you can open a fashion brand also, startup brands. So textile and manufacturing units, and also a retail manager, retail buyer, and retail chains. Fashion design, there are different types of brands like fashion brands premium brand and luxury brand. So there are some Fashion premium brand and fashion luxury brand. It's a very good things like Zara, and it's a fast fashion brand, and Armani, and Christian Dior, Coco Chanel, Versace, and Ralph Lauren, and Valentino, and Calvin Klein's. So these are there are some luxury brands and premium brand. So you can join after your course these kind of brands also, and complete your training. As a fashion designer, you can join different types of brands, and your role will be fashion designer, assistant fashion designers, and you will join in a, if you join in an institute, so you can teaching as a faculty, and if you are joining a fashion designing house, so you can as assistant fashion, you will be a fashion designer, and fashion designer, and fashion assistant fashion designers. And if you are excited for the retail management, so you can join as a retail manager, retail buyer. The opportunities, actually the opportunities blend culture and traditional attires, contemporary ones. Yes, you can also digital marketing. Like if you are a fashion designer, so you can know digital illustration, digital posters, how you can. Actually, we made some digital illustrations. It's very exciting. So you can join a digital marketing also. The opportunity to blend the cultures, traditional attires to contemporary ones, and even play with color themes. Color theme is a very important and very important for fashion technology. Every dress has its own story to tell. You can be a storyteller. A career in fashion designer would give you the maximum possibilities of satisfactions. Be your own boss, and be your own boss. Yes, be your own boss means ki you are, if you are a fashion designer, you know that how you carry your dressing sense, and how being your how you can start your own brand from zero. It will be change the way you see the world, as a field is full of creativity and fun. The industry will give you a huge margin on almost every product. The career gives you an opportunity to achieve a fame for what you are doing. You will have a lot of opportunities to travel around the global, because client can be from any part of the world. So you can help digitally also. Digitally you have to have sketches, so you can help world. You can help. You can any part, because your client will be from anywhere. You can help. Get ready to face the all kind of works arriving in a single workplace. You may also get a chance to meet celebrities, and design for celebrities, and other people who have a passion for fashion designing, just like if you are pursuing a field in this field. So please, SBHM is a good. Obviously, SBSM is a good for fashion technology. You can join if you feel this field for you. contact SBIHM and please start your career. It's a very SBIHM is a very good for fashion technology, so you can join, and different types of workshop like textile, tie-dye, and surface ornamentation, soft furnishing, designing. So different types of workshop is here. Please come to SBIHM, and if you are if you ready to change the cultural trends of your society, so I will suggest you please come to SBIHM Newtown campus, and we said cultural trends because you will pursue a career in fashion technology. You will have a power to change the people, what people wear, what people think about each other, and what people feel about each other. A profession needs to introduction. Fashion designing is the precisely linked about the film industry, and film industry, fashion industry, and export house also. If you are a fashion if you are a fashion lover and passionate about the fashion, so you might have definitely heard about the top Indian fashion designers and top fashion export house and production house also. So they actually managed to transform fashion scenes in Bollywood and Tollywood and Hollywood also. So fashion is everywhere. So just start your career with fashion technology. A good fashion designer takes care of everything from sketches, textures. Textures the good and important things of fashion, and very much too much important for fashion technology, textures. So different types of fashion designer takes care of everything about sketches, color story, fashion forecasting, and textures, pattern, weaving, knitting, and obviously painting, drawing, and most important thing and exciting thing is fashion styling. Styling. So who decide stylist? If you are joined as a fashion stylist, you will be very exciting for the as a fashion stylist. And especially for those who love to study fashion trends and developing some new and creative sketches and the world of Vogue, and wondering how to start career fashion technology. Well, you will need to pursue a fashion designing degree course program at degree program to beginning a career in this field, which can help you learn to intricates of designing clothes, apparel, as well as studying the latest trends. And I will suggest you please come to SBIHM and please join our SBIHM campus, and it's a very good place for fashion technology. And fashion designing is the fashion technology, art and craft, customized apparel and lifestyle accessories has turned into a career options now. It is promising and professions, and it is very creative. And please serves a high package in the glamorous industry and film industry and export house also. And it is a very demanding sector as one to be a creative and professional good material skills also. If you can create a magic shades of shapes, different types of shapes and shades, color shades, design cuts, so you can if you are passionate about the fashion and passionate about your styling, so you can join SBI Egypt for fashion technology course. It's a huge opportunity, job opportunities. You can join as a fashion. You can join after 3 years as a fashion designers, join as a fashion assistant fashion designers, and fashion designers also, and fashion illustrator, and fashion forecasting. So you can join different types of different types of section is here, so you can join. So please come to SBI Egypt for fashion technology. Crafting a design process for concept through the final look, involving a market research, trends in fabrics and techniques, and fashion designers also select a fashion garment. So you can select different types of fabric, and you have a great knowledge for fabrics, different types of fabric, colors and patterns, and also handmade prints, which is very important, and digital prints, screen printing. So here also you can you can join for workshop, different you can join for fashion technology. Here available different types of workshop, like tie-dye workshop, embroideries, shuffle ornamentation, soft furnishing designing, and also wall paintings. So you can join. It's very energetic, and very too much important for us, and you can join for you can join for fashion technology for most you can join for SBI Agent for fashion technology, which is great opportunity for us, for use, and it's a good opportunity for yes, in editing the designing streams and creating new concepts, selecting fabrics, snips, and customized packaging, and re-examine project before presentations. You can after 3 years you can complete your bachelor's course, and you will be joined as a fashion designers, and as a fashion designer, and if you try, so you can join as a assistant fashion designers also, and brand like and H&M, and designers like Sabyasachi and Manish Malhotra. So you can come to SBI HM Newtown campus. It's a good opportunity for students. Here different types of courses, different types of fashion designing. Fashion designing, there have some fashion, under the fashion designing there have some courses like textile designing, soft furnishings, and pattern designing, handmade printing. So it's a very important. So please come to SBI HM Newtown campus, and kickstart your career. If you might be definitely heard about the top Indian fashion designers and top Indian fashion designers and fashion brands also. So it's a glamorous industry. It's a glamorous industry, and it's a very good opportunity for going to film industry also. So you can join SBI HF, and you can join after SBI after you can join SBI HM, and after the course you can join textile export house, and fashion boutiques, and fashion brands, different types of fashion brand as a fashion stylist, and film industry obviously, and export house, merchandise house, and production house. So it's a huge opportunity for students. So students, please come to SBIHM. It's a very good opportunity for you, and it will be change the way you see the world as a field. If is full of creative and fun, and industry will give a huge margin on almost every product, and you will get great opportunity. Yes, if you will join as a retail manager or retail buyer, so you can handling the managing part, which is very interesting, and you can handling the promotion strategy and key activities. So it also the amazing part. And fashion technology, obviously it's a interesting course and interesting obviously for students, cause here sketches and color story, fashion forecasting, textile designing, and fashion illustrations, color theory, color theme, mood board, inspiration board. So the lot of things. It's a very creative, and it's very interesting for students. So you can join your if you will think you will join SBIHM. It's after your 12th you can start your career. It's also blend the culture and traditional attires and contemporary ones, and even play with color themes, mood board, inspiration, image. Our career is fashion designing would give you maximum possibilities of satisfaction, because it's a glamorous industry. So it's high chances to in the film industry, and high chances to a good fashion designer. The career gives you a great opportunity to achieve a fame and what you are doing. And you also, after your careers as a fashion designer, assistant fashion designer, textile designers, and fashion illustrations, and also faculty. So you can as a fashion designer you can join different types of fashion brands like and Alan Solly, H&M, Zara, and also you are a assistant fashion designer and fashion designer. You can join after your course, after your bachelor's course. You can join like under fashion designers like Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra, and Rahul Mishra, Anita Dongre, Ritu Kumar. So you can join different types of fashion designer. So, and you will join as a fashion expo. If you are thinking that you are joining as a fashion retail manager, so you can do it, and as a textile designer also. And here are some yes, it's a very interesting course, and if you are passionate about cultural trends and passionate about fashion trends, so please come to SBIHM and SBIHM Newtown campus. It's a great campus for students and huge opportunity for students, and it's a good for students. So please come to SBI HM and start your career for fashion technology. And if you think that about fashion designing, what about fashion designing? So please, and you interested about the fashion designing, so please come to SBI HM. It's a we say cultural trends because we when you will pursue a career in fashion designing, you will have the power to change what people wear, what people think about each other and each other. So you feel this field is for you, and you're passionate about your fashion and love to study the fashion and love to study the textile, fashion technology, fashion illustration. So please come to SBI HM and contact SBI HM and start your career for fashion technology.